Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the directive principles of state policy? Answer Part 4. Are directive principles of state policy enforceable in a court of law? Answer No, they are not justiciable. Which article directs the state to organize village panchayats as units of self-government? Answer Article 40. Which article deals with the implementation of a uniform civil code for citizens? Answer Article 44. Which part and article contain the fundamental duties? Answer Part 4A, Article 51A. Which committee recommended the inclusion of fundamental duties in the Constitution? Answer Swaran Singh Committee. How many fundamental duties are there currently in the Indian Constitution? Answer 11. Which amendment added the 11th fundamental duty regarding education for children? Answer 86th Amendment Act 2000. Who is the formal executive head of the Union of India? Answer the President. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India? Answer the President. What is the minimum age required to contest for the post of President of India? Answer 35 years. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Answer the Chief Justice of India. To whom does the President of India address his resignation letter? Answer the Vice President. Under which article can the President of India be impeached for violation of the Constitution? Answer Article 61. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Answer the Vice President. What is the minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India? Answer 25 years. Who administers the oath of office to the Prime Minister of India? Answer the President. The Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to which body? Answer the Lok Sabha. What are the three structural components of the Indian Parliament? Answer President, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. What is the maximum permissible strength of the Lok Sabha as per the Constitution? Answer 550 members. Which state has the highest number of elected seats in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Answer Uttar Pradesh. What is the fixed term of an individual member of the Rajya Sabha? Answer 6 years. How many members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the President of India? Answer 12 members. Who presides over a joint sitting of both houses of the Parliament? Answer the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Which article of the Constitution provides for the joint sitting of both houses? Answer Article 108. Who has the final authority to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not? Answer the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Which article of the Indian Constitution defines a money bill? Answer Article 110. What is the minimum quorum required to hold a valid meeting of either House of Parliament? Answer 1/10 of total members. Who appoints the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court of India? Answer the President. What is the retirement age specified for a Supreme Court judge? Answer 65 years. What is the retirement age specified for a High Court judge? Answer 62 years. Which article establishes the Supreme Court of India as a court of record? Answer Article 129. Who has the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India? Answer the Parliament. Which is the oldest established High Court in India? Answer Calcutta High Court, established in 1862. Who appoints the governor of an Indian state? Answer the President of India. Who administers the oath of office to the governor of a state? Answer the Chief Justice of the respective state High Court. The governor of a state holds office during the pleasure of whom? Answer the President. Which amendment gave constitutional status to the urban local bodies? Answer 74th Amendment Act 1992. Which constitutional amendment act accorded statutory recognition to Panchayati Raj institutions? Answer 73rd Amendment Act 1992. Which state was the first to establish the Panchayati Raj system in India? Answer Rajasthan. How many types of emergencies are envisioned by the Indian Constitution? Answer three types. Which article of the Constitution deals with the declaration of a national emergency? Answer Article 352. Which article empowers the President to impose President's rule in a state due to failure of constitutional machinery? Answer Article 356. Which article deals with the provisions regarding financial emergency? Answer Article 360. How many times has a financial emergency been declared in India so far? Answer never. Which article deals with the establishment and composition of the Election Commission? Answer Article 324. Who appoints the Controller and Auditor General of India? Answer the President of India. Which article is associated with the setting up of the Finance Commission? Answer Article 280. Who is known as the Chief Legal Advisor or First Law Officer to the Government of India? Answer the Attorney General of India. Which Constitutional Amendment Act is popularly known as the Mini Constitution? Answer 42nd Amendment Act 1976.